Hello guys, welcome to Khmer Technology. Today I show you how to change font in Telegram. Very small font, especially Cambodian font, or we call Khmer font. Let's see here. See, very small. Yeah, very small here. How to change that? How to change? So first you go to here and type run. Click open and type the word regedit and click OK. Yes here. Okay, so go to the top here. Click H key local machine. After that, click here software. And after that, scroll down, click Microsoft. And scroll down a little bit. Microsoft. Okay, scroll down. Here, Windows NT. And down a little bit. No. Phone. Yeah. Sorry. Here, current Windows and current version, and then down a little bit, and you type here font, font here, yeah. Under font we have font subtitle. So here, here, MS Shell Dlg2. So here the font is Khmer. That's why the letter here is so small here. So you can change to English, British, and languages here. So I want to be Khmer font. Just double click on it, and I want to find from here. For example, I click here. It is Microsoft Office or WS Office. It's the same. I want to say Khmer button bong. I want to be Khmer button bong. And click and copy. Go back here. Oh, sorry, here. Paste here. Yeah, Khmer OS button bong. Click OK. So here change. Let's close this and exit here. Quick chat, quick Telegram, and then open again. Let's see what's happening. You see, it's so big here. Yes, you can change to any fonts: English, British, American, others. It's depend on you. Yes, that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more.